Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up TikTok ads for your Shopify store. This is definitely a video you want to be paying close attention to, follow along step by step, because every single store needs to be using TikTok ads. I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. And running TikTok ads for your e-com store, for your Shopify store, has become an absolute no-brainer. You absolutely need to be on TikTok, and it doesn't matter what you're selling. Your customer is represented on TikTok. So many people are using TikTok, of course. You're going to find your customer, and tons of them as well, right on there. And it's super easy to get started with TikTok ads. You can simply follow along with this video. And all you need to do to get set up for a TikTok ad is have your TikTok pixel installed in your Shopify store. Really easy to do this. There is the Shopify TikTok app. I'm going to show you exactly how to use that. You just simply install it in your store and connect your account. Very easy, no technological skill required. Other things that you'd like to have 1,000 matched TikTok users who have visited your website. 10,000 would be even better, but you can take whatever you get. The idea here is that we're going to be able to preload audiences into our TikTok ad. This is very similar to like custom audiences that you might have used on Google or Facebook. You'd like to be spending $100 a day on your ad budget per ad group. You'll be able to set that up right inside of TikTok. And of course, you want to have at least one vertical video to be used as content. You want to have that TikTok style video. And ideally, you'll have a couple of videos so you can test out different ones. And really, TikTok ads, highly recommended because, like I said, your customer is well represented there. Conversions are very high. E-commerce works incredibly well on TikTok ads. So we're going to go over the shoulder. You see the link directly below this video to jump in. And more importantly, you're going to be able to get the TikTok app. And this app is going to allow you, of course, to install this inside of your Shopify store and instantly and easily connect your TikTok pixel. It's literally one click. And then it's going to measure everything. This is kind of like a prerequisite that you'll want to do before we start running our ads, and you see what it's going to look like. Once you install this in your store, link again directly below this video, you'll see all of your performance in here as well, right inside of the app. So it's really powerful. Going to be your one-stop shop for analytics, but of course, really more importantly, getting your pixel set up so we could run our TikTok ads also for TikTok Shop. We want to have this. So all you need to do, press the install button right over here. This is going to bring you back into your Shopify store where you'll be able to finalize the installation. I'm inside of the TikTok app now that I've installed it in my Shopify store. You see that we have the different sections over here for add new features. You only need to do this once. You can set up your TikTok shop over here as well, but what we want to do, set up our pixel right over here. We see our one-click pixel installation. We'll click Setup Now. Just going to basically go through these prompts. We're going to connect over into our TikTok for Business account. If you don't have one, of course, you'll want to create that. Over on TikTok, you see that it's going to link my account because I'm already logged in. So I'm going to go overhead and click Connect. We see that we have our Business Center account now being linked over to our Shopify store. Over here, we're going to be able to have the different accounts here. We can create a new account as well right inside here. Now under data sharing, we'll go to maximum. This is going to allow us to have the most amount of information in our pixel. Definitely what we want to have here. We can create a different pixel over here as well if you have multiple. Then we'll just press confirm. This is going to save our setup over here, and this is all that we need to do now. So we can set up our company information over here. We'll want to make sure that this is accurate. It's going to go ahead and grab this from our business account, and then we simply press finish setup. That's all that we need to do. We have our TikTok account pending account review. This will go through in a couple minutes, and really kind of simple as that. We now have our pixel installed on our store. And we could do TikTok Shop as well inside here. It's all done inside of this TikTok app. But now that we have the pixel installed, we've met our first prerequisite, and really the most important one, for us to be able to go ahead and run ads. So now let's think about what type of ad we want to run. Now I'm inside of the TikTok Creative Center. You can get to this inside your business account, or you can just Google TikTok Creative Center. Really cool because this is going to show us and allow you to search through top performing ads on TikTok. The actual ads, and you get to see the analytics as well, see the likes, the budget, the click-through rate percentage over here, and you see that these are some of the most or highest performing ads that are out there. And again, you could watch any of these, scroll over them, and they'll start to play. You can click into them more to see analytics about the individual ad, like what niche they're in. You can take a look at different stats, take a look at different recommendations. And this is a great way for you to start to understand exactly what ads are working, and really, for those that are, need to create more videos, video ideas, right? And I'm not saying go ahead and copy this, exactly, but you get the idea of kind of different camera angles, different types of call to actions, different hooks, different looks and feel of the video. And, you have high confidence knowing that these work really well because they are, those top performers. You could also come over here and do something, you see over here, I was in here searching for cats earlier, and you're able to take a look at different ads for cats. And you could have different filters as well. You can have different things like ad format. You could have different industry objective, right, for conversions, which is what we typically do for e-commerce sites. You see all these different things. Of course, here are some great e-com products. So this is a really great asset to have, the TikTok Creative Center. It's totally free. It comes with your TikTok Ads account. So just another reason that you won't need to be inside the TikTok Ads ecosystem. All of this great information, of course, you could search for any niche. So you go through here, get some great ideas, then it's time to build our ad. Now we're inside of our TikTok Ads Manager, and we're going to create our ad. All we need to do, come over here, click the Create Ad button. Remember, we've already installed our TikTok Pixel by connecting the TikTok app in our Shopify store. We have different advertising objectives over here, and a lot of these are very valuable, right? Video views, traffic, reach. But what we want to do is website conversions. And this is really, really powerful for an e-commerce store. This is the idea that we're going to get a specific conversion. And of course, the conversion that we want is purchase. There's no doubt about that. We want to sell product. We want to make sales. We're going to go after that with our website conversion. And you see over here, we have our improve or our smart performance campaign. Basically, it improves things like ad performance and has some kind of smart optimization. I always believe that these algorithms are a lot smarter than anything that we can do. So I do like turning these on. You could test this on or off. We're going to come over there. I'll just give this a sample name over here. If you have any special categories like housing or employment, you'll need to declare that there. But this is going to be our step one to a campaign. And if you've done things like Facebook ads, this is very similar where you pick an objective as your step one. Step two, we're going to come over here now. Going to be, again, talking about how things look. We have our campaign. Now we're creating our ad group. And this is, again, very similar to Facebook ads or Google ads where they have things like campaign, ad set, and ad. Here we have campaign, ad group, and ads. So you see inside of an ad group, we might have multiple ads. And we wanted to set our ad budget on the ad group level at $100 a day. So we're coming over here. We're just going to go through our different goals. What's going to be our optimization goal? It's going to be conversion. Our data connection, we're going to go ahead with our pixel that we have. We're going to come over here and complete payment. Bunch of different options that could be available to you. Really just depends on your goal. Some people want to do lead generation. Some people want to do add to cart. A lot of different strategies out there. I like going right for there. See that there are some advanced settings over here in terms of attribution window. Highly recommend leaving those as is. We have our location and our languages, and again, some more things in terms of excluding specific audiences if we wanted to remove. Over here, we have our placements over here, and this is going to be TikTok. Of course, TikTok is going to have multiple placements in here. We have that smart campaign optimization to allow for all of this to work. Let's say we want to keep commenting off so we don't need to moderate our ad. We can do that as well. Typically, though, we want to keep it on, especially for a product that you hope can become viral. Over here, we're setting our $100 a day daily budget. We could schedule a start and end time if we want. We're just going to let it run as we publish it, and ads generation. So what we can do here is select existing posts. So let's say you have a really cool viral post, and this is an example of a video ad that we have over here for this luggage product, right? And this is just an example, but let's say this was a viral video on your, let's say you're the brand and you have a viral video. You could use that exact video as your ad, right? Very, very easy to do that. Otherwise, you're just going to go ahead and upload your ad video, or if you've already uploaded, you could choose from your library. You could even create a really powerful ad creator in here as well, a whole designer and stuff like that. But what we want to do, we're going to grab the link of our product. We're going to paste that in to the destination. I'm going to go ahead and upload my video. So I'll drag this product video right over there. We're going to upload. That's going to attach this over here. We're going to add in our text, the best luggage you'll ever purchase. Okay, you could experiment with different calls to action as well. You start adding all these. You see our videos being uploaded over here. we can see over here and take a look at the thumbnail or change the thumbnail in terms of that first image. We could add different interactive add-ons. We could take a look at advanced settings as well, customize our call to action text, all these different ways to do it. Again, we have dynamic, so it's going to be kind of changing it and testing different ones. Again, that's why I believe, like I said, the algorithms are smarter than we are. Let's not pick something specific. Let's let TikTok really kind of dictate what we want. And it's really that simple. We have our ad set up. What we want to do over here, create our custom identity. I'm going to put over here zipper luggage over here. Of course, you could also just use your TikTok account to deliver the ad. If you wanted to just connect, you'd be, of course, using your exact ad here. We're just going to create our own custom identity. Really up to you how to do that. If you're trying to build your TikTok page, of course, it makes sense to just use your TikTok account. So we have everything over here. We have our video added. You see, this is just a little example of it. Right? You see our call to action over here, dynamic call to action, because we're using that dynamic optimization. We've set our budget. We've set our destination. We've set our text. We're ready to go. We're going to press the publish button, and this is going to put our ad live. And that's all you need to do to make a TikTok ad. So you see how easy it is, and you also see the link directly below this video. You're going to get this limited time offer. This is incredibly valuable. Spend 100, get 100. Spend 30, get 20. Get up to $100 ad credit for new accounts. This is an absolute no-brainer. Make sure you go over here, click claim offer. Advertising on TikTok for your e-commerce store, like I said, it's a must-do. You need to have it in here. It's an incredible offer to get this, and all you need to do, just watch this video a couple times, follow step by step, and get your TikTok ads live. I know it's going to help you make some money. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll talk to you real soon.